OASIS Smart E-City. Problem 1. Vacant and shabby buildings. With the decline development in manufacturing sector due to the change in Hong Kong's economic structure, most of the factory buildings are now empty. Vacant building paused the development in Kwun Tong. In addition, because of its early developed town in the 1960s, buildings are old, shabby, and deteriorating. They are now structural dangerous buildings, but lack of proper maintenance and management. Problem 2. Social old aging. Most of the residents become the elderly who lack ability to work and contribute to the society. They cannot help themselves but seeking and waiting assistance from the government. According to the data from 2011 population census, the percentage of people who are 65 years old or above is 16.3%. It is quite high among other districts in Hong Kong. It indicates the aging problem. With elderly developed in a city, traffic problems become served nowadays. OASIS, a self-sufficient community. Our target is to re-energize the district via 2 channels. First is to reboot the old building with new business opportunities. Second is to recycle all the possible manpower with higher efficiency of allocation. In order to do so, we take 2 successful transformations as reference model. First one is the Zhongguan Cun, which is located in the Beijing city. Zhongguan Cun, also being called as the street for startup business, has several key elements that satisfy the needs of a business beginners could all be found inside Zhongguan Cun. Silicon Valley, that located in California, the United States, was also our source of inspiration. Since the Hong Kong government policy 2016 further strengthened the importance of innovation and technology, this makes the major target for OASIS. OASIS intends to transform Kwun Tong, a self-sufficient community, by developing it into a startup district that facilitates not only IT business but also business opportunities from the local. Meanwhile, we care about our society. We also aim to provide smarter care for the elderly and launch social programs that better solve district problems, including the Smart Park scheme that fills in smart data and technology. In Stage 1, we will start with focusing several specific industrial buildings to modify them as a startup building. Step 2, we tend to invite more possibilities as we could have more funds and experience. Step 3, Kwun Tong will start developed into a startup district with high maturity of business environment and characteristic of a CBD2. Step 4. To facilitate the walkability and mobility, bridges are essential to join buildings together. To start with, we would like to illustrate with a single building example. We pick an old industrial building with 24-floor height with a rooftop. Here is the outlook of an old industrial building, but with innovation, we can turn it into a multi-use commercial building. The upper part of the building targeting the startup business, while the lower part of the building would be serving the community. In order to keep a higher sustainability of the project, the categories of the startup business were not only limited to IT industry, but also welcome to the market of O2O. Market O2O is a model that combining online shopping with window shopping, fulfilling both economic efficiency of the producers and consumers. Inside our building, the Fab Lab will be the showroom that entertains the showcase of products, meanwhile could attract consumers to drop by. If consumers or retailers find interested items, business opportunities could be provided. In addition, with the use of big data and technology, every transaction could be recorded, analyzed, and with further investigation, useful information and trends could be abstracted to help instruct innovators with their product designs and direction of doing business. We also consider the outside part of the building. A smart park scheme will first testify here and to be further extended to the district. We believe that OASIS would be a success to energize the city and build up a better one.